So let's do star. Town. Code not recognized.
Nice.
0848. Count. Code not recognized. Alright, we gotta go in. Alright, but this feels like Texas.
It does feel like Texas. Sit rep, Rhett. Not this public storage, but that one down there. Go team. Alright, take two.
Alright, star. 0848. Count.
Welcome, Dan.
Daniel, alright.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, we're in Dallas today.
Yep, picking up our auction purchase.
Auction purchase.
What?
Here she is.
Wow.
Already registered too? No, just kidding. It's this one here. Nope.
This little DLA.
Here she is.
Oh my gosh. Torque on demand. Did that come stock?
On the automatics.
Wow.
Hey.
Not too shabby.
She's tidy. Questionable decisions.
All right. What we expected. This car was what, bought in Colorado?
Look at this. Look at this.
Wow, that's
Look
amazing.
at that.
That's Texas.
No, it was bought in sold in Nevada.
Nevada. Yep. And then came here right after it was bought.
Yep.
And lived here its whole life by one other owner.
One other
two
owner.
total.
Wow, looks good. Looks really good.
Suspension looks all right.
Body bushings are shot, but what do you expect for 20 however many years?
You can see the oil filter on there.
Is it accessible for us?
Yeah, it's pretty accessible.
Oh, perfect.
We don't have my wrench, but hopefully it's hand tight.
STP. She looks good.
Yeah.
Oh, the skid plate is missing.
Look at that.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah, that is unfortunate.
Or maybe it didn't have it. Honestly.
I thought they do.
Maybe the rental spec ones didn't, because it was a rental.
Yeah. Okay.
Awesome.
Whoa.
Hmm.
Just the just that fan unit. It's interesting.
Clutch. Hopefully it's in good shape.
Look,
It's probably
don't see any
fine.
cracks.
Looks good. Missing the engine cover. Oh, but there was a guy on Reddit who just like a few days ago happened to post asking if anyone wants one. He haven't sent one, so I messaged him like,
Oh, okay.
send it our way.
And we need to get.
Look, battery, because the current one is dead.
Yeah, but this 8 years old.
Is
7.5
almost,
years old.
yeah.
Skid plate, like you
Yep,
said.
that was.
That-
why is it off?
We'll need
good,
that.
Good question.
Some maintenance, maybe.
Maintenance. Oh, she's moist.
Yeah.
Cool. We got the jack and everything.
Okay, I was gonna.
Oh, it's like never been used, dude. That's.
Wow.
Oh wait. The
What is
moisture battery acid.
We leave that open. Hopefully it's
Cool.
not battery
No, no.
acid.
The side of this is.
Okay. Now these are the seats
Ouch,
that
it
we
burns.
may need to take out.
Let's go see.
All right.
Okay, hit the boost on it because apparently whatever it was doing initially was not enough.
Dead battery, no surprise.
Everything's on now. Cranking.
Doesn't sound too bad. It does.
Great. That fell down. Goodbye. Anyway, we're already doing some maintenance. Battery shot. We're replacing that. Getting some oil, coolant, basics so that's. Hey there, buddy. Basics to at least keep us on the road. We definitely might need to grab tires because, yeah, it's not good. A lot of tread separation, sidewall cracking. Yeah, that's not great. First fuel stop before we get Dan's bag and figure out what to do.
Yeah.
I think we nicknamed her Susie. That's not Inspire though. That's lazy.
That's a little too cliche.
A little bit. Just doing well though. Fortunately, gas is not the worst I've seen. It'll make it hurt a little bit less at the pump.
Yummy zummies.
Yummy zummy. Look at that. Not a single illuminated air thing.
But it is a dysfunctional fuel gauge.
But ignore some of the things. Alright, we're at Wally World. We're getting some Goodyear Wrangler Authoritas. Going on the Isuzu. This is gonna be sweet.
This is perfect.
Perfect.
Some kiss me one more.
Trooper's got new rubber. Going in for the spirits. They didn't do that one. Oh, forgot that would cut off the music. Making our way just outside Amarillo.
The Highlands.
North Colorado. Ain't much to see here, but
Look, show them the fuel. We're running on empty.
he's talking about. Yeah, gas gauge has got a mind of its own. Whatever.
14 miles till we're on the US highway, but yeah, we'll see. The conditions change.
Absolute whiteout right now. Pretty crazy.
I think the Trooper can handle it.
Hopefully. Yeah, sit rep, we can't see shit.
Yeah, 40 and a 65, and it's still a little sketchy.
I think you're on the, I want to come right, middle of the road.
Yep. Well, there is a strip there, so luckily I haven't hit that.
Oh yeah, there's the center markers, yep. Oh, yeah, we see cars.
First car in a little while. Okay, now we really got
Yeah, that's,
stuff.
yeah. Well, we've come to a complete halt.
It's pretty dangerous.
I have no idea what's happening. This guy just stopped for no reason.
I feel like this guy locked up almost hit him.
Yeah.
Here, I'll do this. People coming up behind me. If anybody.
Let him get ahead.
Okay.
Punch it a little bit, see if it breaks loose. Yep.
Oh yeah. No grip.
And they're gone already, almost. Can't even see my camera. It's crazy. Yeah, that's perfect. All right, we're gonna test our four-wheel drive auto.
All right.
Is the light on over there? No. On the
careful.
left. Yeah, it is auto.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right, cool. Let's see. Oh, full grip.
Good. Feels good.
That's
Okay.
fantastic.
Yeah.
We'll just keep that there.
Yeah.
That makes sense?
Yeah, that's fine. We can see a little bit better through the camera, at least.
Now with my sunglasses on. There we go. I'm just gonna feel it every once in a while.
Yeah.
Okay, it cleared up. That was just a really bad patch.
That's very bad.
That was like, you gotta pull over. I don't even know where to pull off for that town.
I drive through and I even see it.
Yeah.
It is just crazy how this car on camera just is there and gone the next.
Yeah.
At a constant speed. You can't even fucking see him, dude. Wow. See, the problem, people are fucking panicking and they slow down. If
Yeah.
you just keep a pace.
I'm just feeling for the shoulder.
Yep, you're good. You got it right there. Traffic, complete halt. Can't see jack shit. Oh, he went off the road.
He went off. Well, we can't see the fucking road.
You're on the shoulder over here. Yep.
Where?
Right here.
Oh,
Yep,
right
yep, right there. Just ride it.
Oh my god. That was terrifying.
That was very scary.
I think we gotta pull over somewhere safe.
We're so close to the town, man. I think we just keep going.
Wish I would have driven yesterday.
Almost ate shit. Okay, these guys are just sitting, waiting it out. You'll be waiting there for a couple hours, maybe. Recording all the victims. If only they all had Isuzu Troopers to drive.
Oh, silhouette.
Yep. Left.
Left. Oh yeah.
You got ain't shit coming up behind us.
That's a truck.
I don't know. Ranch truck. Oh, slow down. Okay. All right, guys. Good luck. It's the wrong call. Well, car died driving head-on into the windy blizzard.
It's an unlucky strike.
So, god damn it. We decided to just sit here for a bit. Have a smoke. There was a nice farmer guy came by on a tractor to offered us help. So if we do need it, we got that. Otherwise, we'll be okay.
But the way I see it is, we have water, we have MREs, we have beer, and a truck that should be able to get us over whatever he was saying.
Copeland.
But what did he say was going on? That roads were blocked?
He said the blizzard basically covered the road with snow, which didn't seem like that was the case leading up to here. So I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned. So, car ingested a lot of snow into the air intake and was cutting out as we were driving north into the storm. So we pulled over here to just take it easy for a bit, had a smoke. And then I just noticed fucking mint. We're just noticing the different level of grippery.
Yeah, so there's quite a few different variations. So I think this is the, oh fuck, overly cautious grip. Just notice this guy. Very interesting. And I'd say like this is like, oh, you're keen. You want to know what's happening, but you still pretty fucking scared. And then I guess like this is like the confident off-roader.
Going uphill maybe.
Going uphill, like you really needed to. And then like this is just like fucking driving comfort, you know, just like a little grip. So.
But what? There's one more.
Is there one more? Oh yeah, I already did that one, didn't I?
Did you? No,
you didn't. I didn't. You're right. You're right. Of course, there's this one.
That's relaxed.
So I got
too.
overwhelmed by the sheer quantity.
Yeah. Oh, and then if you grab that one with your right hand and that one with your left, that's rollover. When you're rolling over and you're making sure you don't fall on the driver.
Or like this. Push yourself away from the smashing glass when the car inevitably rolls in.
Meanwhile, I have this and
nothing.
Oh, I get this. Oh,
yeah,
fair enough.
When would you need that though, as the driver?
When you're a passenger, because the road's fucked. You have no control anymore.
Yep.
Jesus.
Fuck. It's actually ice, like slick ice right there.
Yeah. Oh. Look at these. Is that? Are they just straight up cows?
Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Wow. Damn.
The low fuel light's been on for days.
Fucking
doesn't mean anything. I got another 500 miles before we shut this engine down. Shut it down. Well, keen viewers might remember this. Troopers been doing great. Woo! Windy. Idaho Spigs down there.
Formal campsite.
Yeah. Really good snowstorm down in the distance out there. Yeah. This is a good time a few years ago. You good? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, brother. I'll hop in.
Now I have free bird in my head.
I'm a free bird, yeah. Mountaintops.